Oh, hi guys. So we're back. Could you please turn that down? What? Turn that down. So yeah, I'm playing over. We're just really playing sharkbite. Yeah, I mean, really good photo. So I guess it's not lobby. Just waiting.
That's not your real friend.
I'll beat it. This is actually a bad idea to go in this game because it takes so long.
Don't leave here. Just leave.
So yeah, I'm just gonna play. No. Did you turn my photos on? Oh, also, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, hit that notification bell. And also like, because it's free. Can we get at least 2 likes on this video? That'll be great. So, I don't really know. This is just going to be one of those weird Roblox things, I guess. Let's play some. You join me on what? Okay, so I'm just going to play Speedrun. Because why not? Okay, my brother's on level 3 before Vita. I went on the level like 600. Oh, I'm only joking. I've only been on the level like, I don't know, 10 already. I just died. How did I re-die? I'm gonna change my dimension to normal. Because this one's like really hard. You can.
Okay,
So, you know, let's just play. So, like, yeah, my brother just wants to play with me, so might as well let him. Did you just hear that?
Yeah.
Riley? Pasta.
I'm so good at the first bit, Haley.
Mm,
I'm so good at the
so
first bit.
you don't really need to, you know, watch this, but please, like, subscribe, because that'll be a great help to me. I'm trying to hit 50 subscribers by February. It probably won't even happen because no one watches my videos except like my friend Callie. Hi Callie, if you're watching this. Cause like, please.
I'm on a second level, Haley.
So am I.
I didn't even die.
Okay.
What's all white things in the air?
Members. So yeah, if you hear any talking, that's my brother, obviously.
Haley, from the sand? Why am I not respawning?
Yes. This one's kind of easy. Yeah, this is actually really. I love all these, so like.
Are you number 3, Haley?
Yeah. No.
That's
No.
12. Did you die?
No. Yeah.
I only died once on the sand then.
It's from like.
Why did I die?
Please! I'm gonna play. Bye guys. This is a